Hey, what's up, are you still interested in Ulefone Note 11P? Some days ago we made video with unboxing and first look of this smartphone. Now I want to test performance of the new Ulefone mobile device. You know, I'm more interested in performance test than camera or battery tests. Because Ulefone Note 11P has 8GB of RAM, but budget chipset Helio P60. I wonder if the performance is better than other smartphones with the same processor? Let's find out. So I want to start a performance test of Ulefone Note 11P with AnTuTu, because this is the most popular benchmark for mobile devices. As you can see, the new smartphone from Ulefone scores about 159,000 points in AnTuTu. For comparison, we have tested Ulefone Armor 8 about a half a year ago, which had the same Helio P60 chipset, but 4GB of RAM. The smartphone also had 159,000 points in AnTuTu. Okay, maybe the new Ulefone device has better result in Geekbench 5. As you can see, there is 270 points in single-core test and 1270 points in multi-core test. The result is almost the same as a smartphone with 4GB of RAM. In 3D Mark, Ulefone Note 11P has 1080 overall score, while Ulefone Armor 8 has 1270 points. Also, I didn't find much difference between these smartphones in the speed of built-in memory, Wi-Fi and GPS. As you can see, 8GB of RAM doesn't add performance, at least in benchmark tests. However, let's play some games before conclusions. I have installed 4 games on Ulefone Note 11P, such as Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9 and Genshin Impact. Let's play a little in these games. You know, Genshin Impact is one of the most demanding Android games. However, you can play it on the new budget smartphone from Ulefone. Yes, it has some lags and glitches, but you can still play this game, that's very good. As for other games, I don't see any problems. To be honest, I didn't notice the higher performance of smartphone with 8GB of RAM compared to the mobile device with 4GB of RAM, but the same processor. I think that 8GB of RAM is just marketing trick, and I fell for it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, not to miss camera test and battery test of Ulefone Note 11P.